Are you looking for the best AUX cable? In this video we will look at some of the top AUX cables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Syncwire AUX Cord. Its double shielding significantly enhances protection against interference. This is durable, tangle-free cord features gold-plated connectors and braided nylon fabric for optimum sound transmission. It is a high-quality auxiliary audio cable that connects to any device with a 3.5mm jack. Its 6 feet long cable is perfect for use at home or on the go. It is polished 24K gold-plated connectors ensure reliability, eliminate signal loss and noise possible. At number 2. KEPULU AUX Cable Cord. This cable is perfect for any device with a headphone jack. It is compatible with all Apple products, as well as Android and Windows devices. This cord is 3 feet long, so you can comfortably use your phone. It is made of high-quality materials to ensure the best sound quality and durability. This AUX cable has an inline remote with volume control, so you can adjust your music without interrupting. At number 1. JSAUX AUX Cable. It will provide you with hi-fi sound quality and allow you to listen to your favorite songs from your phone, tablet, or laptop on any speaker system. It has a copper shell that resists corrosion and provides better connectivity between devices. The plugs are gold-plated for better conductivity, and this also helps reduce distortion of the signal. It is 4 feet long, so it'll reach anywhere in the room without having to worry about unplugging it all the time. The one end of the cable is straight, while the other end has a 90 degrees angle to fit into your device's AUX port. So, that sums up this video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Until next time, have a great day.